16 under root 5 multiplied by 2 under root 5. Okay, so we have to simplify this and find out the solution. Okay, so how to do this? Let's see. So we know that according to the law of exponents, okay, when the base is different but the powers are same. When the bases are different but the powers are same, we can write this as x multiplied by y to the whole power n. Okay? Similarly, here also under root 5, 16 under root 5 multiplied by 2 under root 5 can be written as 16 into 2 under root 5. Okay? Now, we know that 16 is 32. So, 32 under root 5. Now, 32 can be written as the 2 power of 5, or the base on prime factorization 32 of 32 will give us 5. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, and under root 5 is 1 upon 5. So this and this 5 will get cancelled and we will get the value as 2. That is, again I am explaining, 32 can be written as the base 2 to the power 5. Okay? 32 when on prime factorization of 32, we will get the base as 2 to the power 5. Or in other words, we can say that 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. And under root 5 is 1 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 5. And this 5 and this 5 will be cancelled and we will get the value as 2. Okay? So hope this explanation will be helpful to you. So kindly subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.